after I rethread ever. So being that's a clutch motor, if you just barely push down on this, you're able to turn this easy by hand. I usually hand feed it just to make sure that there's no thread jams. And you go clockwise with it.
Is thread ever jammed or you get stuck?
Usually when you have a thread jam is right after you rethread or you pull a thread through. Mm-hmm. That's typically the only time I ever have a thread jam.
Okay.
And that's why I wanted to, like I said, rethread it for you and make sure it's going through. Okay. So you're not stuck at home trying to yelling at me right away. But nope, that's good. But yeah, usually that happens, and it's because the foot is, something got crossed up right in this area with threads, and the foot is holding it, and it's stuck on that. So, okay. But yeah, like I said, with any of them, you should be able to pull it through just like I did.
Okay.
And like I said, that way it doesn't come unthread and you miss loopers and stuff like that. Because if a thread ends up breaking way down below, or you forget to pull it through, or you try feeding a new one, if you have problems sewing, most of the time it's going to be a threading issue.
Oh, okay.
So, or if you have a skip, if there be a skip in here, the same, it's either tension or threading issue 99% of the time.
Okay.
So,
I'll keep that in mind.
But yeah, feel free to text me or send me a message if you have troubles, and I'll do my best to help you where I can.
All right.
So,
you'll hear from me.